So what's up, guys? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It depends with your time zone. Welcome to today's video, and I want to show you around this place called Regen. And I'm at Regen right now. I'm shooting this video on an evening, so it depends with your time zone. So come along with me. Let me show you the place. But for now, just enjoy. Come with me and enjoy the tour of Regen area. So I want to take you along this place. Just bear with me, and I will show you the place. Yeah, that was the main entrance over there. So at that point over there, uh, that road over there lead you to the capital. That is CBD, and from here to the capital, that is a dollar. That is 100 Kenyan. So it depends with the time you are heading towards the capital, guys. So come along with me. Let me show you this place. Yeah, I'm at Regen. I'm at Regen right now, and I decided to show you this part of Regen over here. For my fans, don't forget I'm still in Kiambu. I'm still Kiambu County. Kiambu County, one of the counties in Kenya. And I decided to entertain you right now. So that was our starting point over there. That was our starting point over there. And I'm still taking you around this place called Regen. For the returning subscribers, keep on watching. For the new subscribers, please keep on watching. And don't forget to give it a like. And it is my pleasure to show you these counties. It's a cool place. It's a cool place. It's a cool place. So this at this point over here, those who want to do business, come and do business around the place. Yeah, come and do business at the place. You can see. And the main road is not far from here. That is the main road over there. Over there, that is the main road. Businesses are taking place at this point. You can see. It's a busy place. It's a busy place. Indeed, it is a busy place. There's also another shortcut over here. This is another shortcut over here. This shortcut will still take you to the main road if you follow this one over here. Yeah, at this junction, this is the junction. So if you follow this route over here, that one will lead you to the main road still. But the road over here is not good. You can see. Look at the road. Yeah. Only this part over here, you can see only this part. Remember, due to my time, it is getting dark. Due to my time, it is getting dark. I think only this part and that one over there. Sorry for the noise. Sorry for the noise. This place normally have many people during evening hours and during morning hours, but during midday there nothing is taking place. During midday nothing is taking place. Yeah, at this point over here. Sorry for the noise. Sorry for the noise. This route over here can also take you again to the main road. This route over here. This is a cool place. If you want to stay around this place, it's a cool place. Indeed, it is a good place, surrounded with several schools. Being surrounded with several schools, like we have one over here. See, there's one over here. Guys, I'm climbing. Don't forget, the Vimo is the one taking you around the place. Don't forget. The place is so quiet. Very quiet indeed. Yeah, for those who like quiet place, those who like what is called privacy, such kind of areas are the best for you. Yeah. Only for those who are advocating for privacy, such kind of areas are the best for you. It is my pleasure to take you around. Guys, it is getting dark. Oh, oh. Sorry guys, it is getting dark. It's getting dark. This is a school fence. This one over here, it's a school fence. It's a school fence. This one over here. At this point over here, at this junction over here, if you follow this route over here, that route will lead you to the main road, and I want to follow that route. Yeah, if I follow this route over here, will lead us to the main road. So let me try and take you towards the tanks over here and see. So let me follow this route over here. So if you can see, let me try if you can see that block over there, that concrete over there, that one is a main road. You can see where that lorry, you can see some of the vehicles over there. That is the main road which will lead you to the capital, that is CBD, Nairobi, East Africa, Kenya. Yeah. But for now, let me take you back. Guys, because it is getting dark, I have to end this video over here. Don't forget, this is the Vimo. Don't forget to give it a like, comment, share, subscribe. But for now, see you in the next video. Bye bye.